This is why you need a rally team that can handle anything. Our team starts under a perfect blue sky, racing up a mountain pass. But suddenly, bam, a snowstorm hits. Visibility drops to near zero, and the road turns into an icy slide. The co-driver, cool as ice, adjusts the pace notes on the fly. "Caution, slippery ahead," they shout. The driver skillfully reduces speed, steering through the treacherous conditions. Each turn is a dance with danger, but their precision keeps them on track. This is rallying at its finest: teamwork, trust, and nerves of steel. Will they make it through? Stay tuned for the rest of their epic journey.